Same way, same way. Same way. Alright. Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. It's your boy here, Kirk. As you just see, guys, we drive up this 2017 Vauxhall on the ramp. We pressurize the system and realize that the AC compressor is leaking. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe and hit that post notification bell so you will never miss a video. So guys, this is where the compressor leaking. The seal at the back, and you can see the green dye run out. So what we're going to do, guys, is remove the 2 AC pipes and pull the 3 AC bolts that hold the compressor and the engine. So guys, this is how the compressor look when it remove. We're going to pull it up now, and this is how inside of the compressor look. It's a scroll compressor, not the regular piston one. So guys, remember you can follow us on Instagram and also TikTok. We install the O-ring and tightening up at the bolts. The location for our garage is in the description, and feel free to call the number on the screen for more information. We finished tightening up the bolts. Right now we are cleaning up the compressor to install it back on the vehicle. We finished bolt up the compressor on the vehicle, and as you see, guys, the engine running and the AC on. For all your auto AC repairs, look nowhere else. Check First School Your Auto. We will make sure you leave a happy customer. So guys, I'm gonna show you in the engine room. So right now, guys, I'm gonna check inside on the coolness. What you see, blow, bossy?
Well cool, well cool.
Well, cool.
Yes, sir. You know, see how me lock up.
You see, lock up? Watch your lock up thing, it up.
You lock up myself inside.
Alright, Reggie.
Under the heat.
Another successful job from Kirk School Your Auto. See you in the next video.